avocado, cucumber, tomato salad. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you avocado, cucumber, tomato salad. Okay, so I have my ingredients here: 2 slices of avocado, tomato, cucumber. I have some vinegar, I have some black pepper, and I have some salt. I have my bowl ready. All my ingredients have already been washed, so I am going to be getting them ready for my salad. All right. Add it to the bowl. I'm gonna cut up my cucumber now. So guys, I want to leave the pear for last because you know that is a little delicate. So I'm going to use some onions. If you have the purple one, you can also use it. It's very good for you. Alright, so I'm just going to use a small amount of onions. Alright, guys, they're not very small. Okay. My avocado, so I'm gonna cut them up small. Add it to the bowl. Just can use 1.5 slices of avocado instead of the 2 slices. Right. So there you have it now, guys. Now that I have this done, let me try and combine them. Alright. So I have some vinegar, as I said before, the vinegar. So I'm gonna add a little on it. You can also add lime juice, a little salt, and some black pepper. And then I'm going to combine this. I'm going to combine it, guys. Alright. So that's it, guys. And that's it, guys. My avocado, cucumber, tomato salad. Simple, easy to make. Let me taste it. Very nice, guys. Guys, it's so nice. I can hear the crunchiness of the cucumber. It's really nice. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. Easy and simple. Guys, go ahead and try this simple dish. It's avocado, cucumber, tomato, and a bit of onion, salt, black pepper, and some vinegar. Go right ahead and try it. You will love it. Go right ahead and prepare this delicious salad. You will love it. Alright, remember to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this nice salad. Alright guys, so easy, good for the entire family. If you're a vegetarian, vegan, this is the salad bowl for you. Alright, you can have it with anything you want. Just go right ahead and make up this dish. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.